Hello everyone, you are welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. Today we will discuss part 7 of 2021 NDA NSCDS Air Force Aptitude last 10 years vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. So let's start. The first word is altercation. It is a noisy argument or disagreement. In Hindi, you can say takraar. Synonyms are argument, dispute, and antonyms are agreement or harmony. Example: she got into several altercations with her boss. Next word: ill at ease. It means uncomfortable or embarrassed. In Hindi, it is bechain. Synonyms are inhibited or uneasy, and antonyms are comfortable or at ease. Example: he agreed reluctantly to sign the form but looked ill at ease. Next word: run down. It means tired and not healthy, especially because of working too much. In Hindi, it is thaka hua. Synonyms of run down are tired and antonyms are energetic. Example: my mother has been working hard for the last 2 weeks and she feels run down. Next word: collective. It means forming a whole. In Hindi, it is samohik. Synonyms of collective are combined or conjunct, and antonyms are diffusive or and distributive. Example: the three states signed a pact to have a collective economy. Next word: curt. It is rudely brief in speech or abrupt in manner. In Hindi, it is rukha. Synonyms are impolite, abrupt, and antonyms of curt are polite or expansive. Example: he was deeply hurt by her curt reply. Next word: accelerate. It means to gain speed. In Hindi, it is gati badhana. Synonyms of accelerate are hasten, quicken, and antonyms are hinder or retard. Example: he was asked to accelerate the pace of work. Next word: abducted. It means take someone away by force or deception. In Hindi, it is agwa karna. Synonyms of abducted is kidnap, and antonyms of abducted is set free. Example: the child was abducted when he was going to school. Next word: delicate. It is easily broken or damaged. In Hindi, it is nazuk. Synonyms are fragile, frail, and antonyms of delicate are strong or durable. Example of delicate is the baby has a very delicate body. In Hindi, it is nazuk body. Next word: enhance. It means to raise the value or price. In Hindi, it is बढ़ाया हुआ. Synonyms are intensify or inflate, and antonyms of enhance are diminish or reduce. Example: the government has enhanced the fees of tuition, school, and colleges. Next word: perfection. It means the state of being complete and correct in every way. In Hindi, it is purata. Synonyms are flawlessness and sublimity. Example: he aims at perfection in whatever job he undertakes. Antonyms of perfection are imperfection or inaccuracy. Next word: complainant. A person who makes a formal complaint in a law court. It means in Hindi it is yachi, and synonyms are accuser, and antonyms is litigant. Example: the complainant was not supportive of providing all facts in the court. Next word: solitary. It means done or existing alone. In Hindi, it is akela. Synonyms of solitary are unsociable or lonely, and antonyms are sociable or genial. Example: living in a solitary place brings in some kind of satisfaction. Next word: created. It means bring something into existence. In Hindi, it is rachna. Synonyms are generate or construct, and antonyms of created are destroy or demolish. Example, we have created a beautiful new house from out of the old ruins. Next word, revolting. It is extremely unpleasant, and synonyms are disgusting and nauseous, and antonyms of revolting are attractive and pleasant. Example, a large number of designer clothes are revolting. Next word, different. It means not the same as another or each other. It means एक जैसा न होना. Synonyms are dissimilar or contrasting, and antonyms are similar or alike. Example, though they are twins, but they look very different. Next word, recession. It means a period of temporary economic decline during which trade and industrial activity are reduced. In Hindi, it is व्यापारिक मंदी. Synonyms of recession are decline, and antonyms of recession is inflation. Example, recession is a major cause of unemployment. Next word, consider. It is admit or agree that something is true after first denying or resisting it. In Hindi, it is स्वीकार करना. Synonyms are acknowledge or confess, and antonyms of considered are deny or disclaim. Example, he finally considered that he was involved in smuggling. Next word, denied. It is stated that one refuses to admit the truth or existence of. In Hindi, it is इनकार करना. Synonyms are gainsay and negate, and antonyms of denied is accept. Example, the accused emphatically denied the charge in the court. Next word, coarse. It is rough or harsh in texture. In Hindi, it is khurdra. Synonyms of coarse are bristly, rough, and antonyms are polished or delicate. Example, this cloth is a coarse of touch. Next word. So, here video ends, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant for more such videos. And for PDF, you can also join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant from the link given in description. Thank you so much everyone.